What's going on YouTube? MrSettin007. I'm working on getting a radio out of this vehicle because the code is not working. So I have some keys here for the Mercedes. Let me see if I can get some light in here. Here we go. That's what I'm working on. The radio there is going to have two slots. Let me get some of these keys out. It's going to have two slots on the bottom. This actually is an interesting radio. This is for Mercedes Special. I forgot the brand of these radios that they have. They have a contract with Mercedes, or had. This is a 1986 Brabus. So this is what you would call Euro model, gray market, brought to the US. So I have the keys here. I may put the key link in the description for the Mercedes. So let's go down here. You see one would go into this slot here, right there, in here, and another one goes into this slot here. There's a slot right there, and I think I'm supposed to be able to pull it out. More than likely I'm gonna have to put this baby in drive or something. So let me get the key and set that up. But make sure you guys like and subscribe. Leave your comments. Let me know if you want to see anything else. As you can tell, as I press it, you see it needs the code, right? I tried to get the code, but the code I had was incorrect. It was allegedly 112. Then you press another code, a button, and it's still blinking on the front, so it'll let you know it's not right. It's not correct. It's still blinking. So I think I did it the right way. Maybe these I think these face opposite each other. I put it in there. I put it over here. Then you just push it, and I think it's supposed to lock. That's what I believe. Supposed to lock it, and then you're supposed to be able to pull it out. Let me make sure. See, these are all the same as far as I know. Let's see. All right, make sure you guys, again, if you know, are you familiar with this? Leave any comments, suggestions. Yeah, these are all the same. So I believe it's supposed to go in this way. And then just, I think there's pieces at the end that kind of push in. And this is supposed to go in and push it out and unlock the radio. So, let's see, I don't know. Will it come out? No. Let me see if I do it this way, if that'll work. The opposite direction. Okay, here we go. There we go, I think. There we go. Alright, so I had it wrong the first time. So, it's supposed to be facing this. So the flat end is going to be facing the outside. And the curved end is going to be facing towards the middle of the radio on either side, alright? Here we go. So now, what I'm going to have to do is, let me see if I get this out. So now what I'm going to do is look for, well, maybe this is the code, 51526. Let's try that. That's a good place to put the code, but normally you would have to look on the side. Okay, this is the Becker. That's what it was, Becker radio. Becker Special. I guess maybe because it's Brabus is special. So this is a Becker. These radios are usually all Becker. Okay. Alright, so I have a 5-digit code at the top with a piece of tape. So that means this radio was upgraded because the original radio for this Mercedes, before it became Brabus, was the original code that I had. So now that I have that code, 51526, let's see if that works, people. Because if it does, I will be happy. So again, 51526, 5. Let's turn this off, turn it back on. 5. Oh, wait a minute. Let's see. Okay, let me turn it back on. 5. You know what? I think I have to push this radio back in for the code to accept. Let's do that. But I gotta unlock this here. So I'm gonna pry this open. I think I'll push it. What am I doing? What am I doing here? This is at the bottom. So if this goes up. Alright. I don't know what I did. But it seems to be a little stuck. Let's see if we could pry this in here. I know I'm doing this kind of in the dark. It's late. Waiting for this stuff to be delivered. Today's Halloween. There's a lot going on, people. A lot going on. Let me see if I can take this out. Let's see. Where are we at here? So it should be free. I don't know why I got... Oh, there's a clip piece here. There appears to be a clip piece from here. So I need to pry this up a little bit, I believe. Let's see if that's going to work. If I push this in. I don't want to bend it too much. There's a little hook piece here. You see that? A little piece that's hooked in. That's a little piece hooked here. So that's why this is stuck, and that's what gives it the ability to pull it out. So I'm going to push it in. And then push this down. There we go. So what I had to do was push this in, push this side piece down, and that unlocked it. Alright? So I wonder if there's a contact on the side here. So I'm going to push this back in. So that's 51526. Alright. I'm going to push this in. Hopefully. There we go. Alright, let me go back. 5 1 5 1 5 2 6. Enter. No. Ah, crap. Doesn't seem to be working. Oh! All right! Ha ha ha! Look at that! All right, guys. So that's what it needed. Beautiful. So now you know it's working. I had the code. I guess the previous owners, when this phone was radio was upgraded, they put it on the top, which is perfect. But what you can do is follow that procedure to pull out the radio with these keys. I'll put a link in the description for the keys. This is a Mercedes, old school Mercedes 96. You can do it all the way to 2000 and something. And then the Becker on the side, you would get the codes on the side of the radio, and with those codes, then you should be able to get the correct unlock code for your radio. All right. So I'm going to write that down somewhere and put it with the booklet of the car. This is great. So now I got that part. So stay tuned. Little by little, you can look up on my YouTube channel. You'll see various vehicles, the Mercedes, this actual G-Wagon, Brabus, Euro edition, so gray market, as he would be affectionately referred to. Thank you guys. Like, subscribe, please leave a comment. Any questions at all, please do so. Please support the channel, share it, look at our other videos that I have up. I do a lot, my videos may not be as detailed as I would like them to be, because I'm a family man. I do multiple things. I'm a registered nurse. I care for the elderly. I love my job. I love helping people. So time is of the essence, and I don't usually have a lot of time, and it's, I'm by myself here when I do these things. So please share, like. It would be greatly appreciated for you to do that. And I can continue doing what I love. I love helping people. I love working on vehicles. I mean, once you look at my channel, you can see some of the nice rare vehicles I've had. Worked on, bought, sold. I work on vehicles for family, friends. So it's a pleasure. Please. And thank you. Peace.